POV. You make a to-do list the night before and end up sleeping in until 12 p.m. just to not do anything. So in this video, let's save a half-wasted day and be productive. You guys, look at the state that I'm in right now. My nails currently are screaming for help. Like, I have a luggage right in the corner of the room where I have not even unpacked yet. I just came back yesterday. Guess what time it is? I'm not even kidding. Just guess what time it is. You guys have your guess? Don't make fun of me, okay? Currently 12:46. I can't even believe I'm doing this to myself. Like, it's already 2025. It's the first month of the year, and why am I rotting with my dog? My rot buddy. Whenever I'm in like a rot type of mood all day, she'll rot with me. She knows I'm talking about her. No, but like, guys, I was deciding whether or not if I should really do anything today. I clearly need an everything shower. My hair is just so nasty. I need to unpack my luggage. I need to get my nails done. Like, what is going on? I need to get ready for the day. I have to do a lot, and it's only 12 and I haven't done anything. But anyways, I'm gonna get out of bed because this is totally not okay. First thing we're gonna do is take a shower because that is number one to feeling better to all of it. Also, do you guys like my new, okay, don't look at my nails. I don't know what's going on. Look how cute this phone case is. I got it for my birthday from my dad, and I'm just obsessed. From Amazon, by the way. Like, I'll have it linked down below. Anyways, let's get out of bed. This towel warmer is literally life-changing. Like, I'm obsessed and I can't do showers without them. Chai, but I don't have any milk. Like, it's literally expired since we just got back from a trip, so I just decided to have this Peak Bee Fountain powder drink, and it has like electrolytes in it, and I've been really off on drinking water, so this is just going to be hydrating for me and my skin. Only have 20 minutes to get ready, and I'm like freaking out right now. I booked an appointment last minute. She said she only has 3 o'clock because she's fully booked. If I come to this appointment late, I'm gonna feel so bad. It's gonna make all of her appointments late, so I'm like really in a rush. I'm gonna try to use the e.l.f. primer. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm gonna put the Say Rose Glow cream. I really don't know what this is called, but I really like this because it makes my skin so glowy. So this is kind of like a primer to me. Like, I need to use this. Also, Mel is currently on her period, and I feel so bad. She's not doing okay. I forgot to put my headband on. You guys, look at how many cute headbands I got on Amazon. Like, I'm so obsessed with it. I'll have a link down below. I don't even know which one to choose. I don't know why. It's either silence and getting ready or talking and talking. No makeup, just talking. This is really sticky. I think the makeup is really gonna stick onto my face because I've heard really good things about it, and they really say it's worth the hype. I genuinely don't know what I'm gonna do for nails. Like, I have acrylics on, but my nails have been so weak recently that it's just time for a break. So I'm thinking about doing just natural nails and just do gel on them, just so that I can start doing acrylics again without them breaking like every single second. I got these done for my birthday. I had like little flowers on them, and it's just bunny bunny and then just a white French tip, and I'm obsessed with it. I really want to do acrylics again, like long nails, but guys, I need a break, and I'm trying to do healthy things for myself. I recently got the Merit Stick Concealer Foundation. I don't even know what it's called, but it's a stick. Love it. I definitely think it covers up everything. I just put this all over my face because I do have scars from acne. It's not crazy, but I do feel a little insecure about them. If I leave now, I'll get there at 2:48, and I need to be there at 3. Also, I didn't make the appointment at this time because if I did, I would have gotten out of bed way sooner. I literally just asked her, do you have any availability today? And she was like, okay, I could do one at 3. I'm like, okay. And she said she's fully booked, so she can't do any other time. And this is just so ugly. Like, what's going on? I don't even know if I'm blending everything in because I'm doing my makeup on my camera phone right now. I just love filming in here. I got this new set recently from Paulichi, and I'm thinking about wearing this. It's basically just sweatpants, a hoodie. I don't know if it's like freezing cold. Okay, let's do a little transition. Okay, here's the outfit. This is so comfy. I literally didn't even try this on yesterday when I got it in the mail, and I'm obsessed with it. Only thing I will say, this took 3 months to come in the mail. One of the times it didn't get shipped and it said it was delivered. So I've been waiting for this. Like, I did not give up on this. I just finished up at the nail salon and look how cute. Like, they're short, but I feel like it's gonna take a while to get used to, but I think it's the best thing for me right now because I keep doing the long nails, like the acrylic fake nail, and they're ruining my nails. So right now my nails feel like paper thin, but I just did gel on top and I did like a very light pink. It's pretty hard to see on camera. It looks white, but it's pink. It's just a light pink because I think it's just more natural and like soft. I don't know. I think it's cute. So yeah, those are the nails. You guys, we currently made it to the beach. I thought, why not go to the beach? It's like the perfect time, and it's gonna start raining like the next week. Sunset is so pretty today. Like, it looks pink and purple and blue. So cute. I just took some pictures. Caleb just took some pictures for me, and I think they're really cute. But guys, I really don't like the new update on Instagram. Like, now it looks like this. It used to be like squares on the feed, and it makes me not want to post like at all. Unpacking and some laundry as well, so we're gonna get to doing that because this is not looking okay and I need some clothes back. So let's just do some of this and just fully unpack because I cannot be leaving this for a whole entire month inside here. That'd be terrible. Okay, now I'm gonna take the sheets off of the bed because they are so dirty. Like, I haven't cleaned them in a while. And why is she always doing something weird in the back? What are you doing? Can you stop doing some weird stuff? So anyways, let's take them down and put them in the wash, which is probably gonna take a while, but I love the feeling of like warm, clean, fresh sheets before I go to sleep. I think it's only 7 p.m. right now, so we should be good. Look at how cute this little eye mask is. I got it from Marshall's and it is so cute. It has like little cherries on them. I honestly just trusted the process because these could either look like what the packaging looks like or it could look totally opposite and it could literally not even show the cherries. So I'm so glad I just took the risk, got them. It says that you're supposed to leave this on for 20 to 25 minutes and I feel like every other eye mask is usually like 10 minutes. 20 to 25 is insane, but we're gonna put the timer on. Timer start now. Oh, now. Okay, these are honestly staying on because usually eye masks keep falling down and these are honestly sticking. Maybe it's because I forgot to take off my makeup, but oh, whatever. Got this package recently and I haven't unboxed it yet. It's basically one of those olive trees that look like this and I haven't even unboxed it yet. I literally have 3 of them in the house. They just add so much color and I took the one that was in the office and put it in the living room since the Christmas tree got taken down. It looked so bad. We're just gonna set up this now so that I can get it out of the way because I'll never get it done if I don't do it now. Here's what they look like. I think they're really cute. It's so easy to set up. Just like that, I feel like it adds so much color and I think it is so cute. I love the palm tree little plants that people put. Like, for example, I have one right here, but there's like bigger ones that are artificial and I used to have them in my old room and I loved it, but the one that I had was my mom and they're so hard to find like cute ones that actually don't look awkward. The other one that I have is outside and I feel like it adds more color outside, so that's why I leave it outside even though it's fake. Guys didn't know, I recently got a Ninja Creamy and I have been so obsessed. Last night I made strawberry banana froyo that I can put it in the freezer. I have like 2 other ones, but I'm gonna try this one first. The other ones I'm gonna try on a different night because I just like pre-make them for other nights, but tonight we're gonna have the froyo one. Once the this is in here for a while. It's just hot water. I take the lid off. This looks so nasty. Okay, why does it look like that? I'm trusting the process. I found this recipe on TikTok, so I'm praying that it's good. I'll put the recipes up here. Here's the Ninja Creamy. Literally the best thing ever to exist. There's ice cream, sorbet, light ice cream, smoothie bowl, gelato, milkshake. You can make all of those at home. Anything you want to make. I think it's just so cool. I got it for Christmas and it's one of my favorite gifts from Kayla. Checked the video and she said light ice cream, so we're gonna put it on that setting. I'm definitely gonna have to respin so that it can be a little bit more creamier, but guys, this is such a pretty pink. You guys, look at how it turned out. This is just too good. When I was putting the sheets in the dryer, I forgot the pillow sheets in the wash on accident. I literally didn't mean it. So now we have to wait another 40 minutes for that to dry. I didn't forget this one pillow sheet, but all of the rest I forgot. So we're just gonna leave that here for now. With my shower and I feel so much better now. I don't know why, but I was feeling gross even though I took a shower this morning. I'm gonna take off my makeup and do some skincare. It's like a super simple skincare routine, nothing crazy, so I just want to show it to you guys. The first thing I use is the micellar cleansing water by Garnier Skin Active, and I just put it on some cotton rounds and always have 3 cotton rounds every single night. Like I use 3 cotton rounds. I use 2 for my eyelashes just so that I can fully remove my mascara, and then the 3rd cotton round is for my entire face. Look at this. Whenever I remove my mascara, I get so sleepy. I just want to sleep already. It just feels so good to rub the face. Now I'm gonna go wash my face with some cleanser, so I'll be back. I just washed my face, as you can tell, but I like to use the clean skin towel. I recently got it for Christmas, and I've heard that people say that it's better to use this. Kind of reminds me of a paper towel, so I don't really know the point when I could just grab a paper towel, but I guess this is cleaner than a towel, an actual towel. But for the cleanser, I use this one. It's just a foaming cleanser, and this is like the best foaming cleanser that I've ever came across. I like to make sure I wash my face with this on after removing my makeup with the micellar water. Obviously, it's gonna not fully take off all my makeup, so I make sure to wash it. And then I'm going in with the serum lift. I have been loving this, and I'm literally almost running low, and I just got it for Christmas. You can tell that I am obsessed with it. I love it so much. Then after that, I go in with the Summer Friday Jet Lag Mask, and this is just a moisturizer, and it keeps my skin so refreshed. Like, I've been loving this product. I also got it for Christmas. This is another moisturizer that I love. Very lightweight and just perfect before makeup. Anyways, that's literally it for my skincare. That's all I do. I don't like doing too much just because that's how I'll break out, and recently this skincare routine has been helping me so much with my skin. But obviously everybody's skin is different, so not the same skincare routine will work for you. Maybe just 1 product would be better, or 5 products, who knows. But over the years I've just learned to use less. It's just better for your skin, at least for mine, because when I use too much, my skin will literally break out, and I am so lost because I don't even know which product, if I'm using 10, 5, you never know. Finished writing in my journal, and this is something that I've talked a lot about on my channel, but I definitely recommend. My goal this year has been to write more, so that's what I'm trying to do, like writing every single night, every morning. Whenever I want to open up and write anything in my journal, here's a journal prompt if you're interested in writing anything that you want in your journal. There's so many journal prompts on Pinterest that you guys can look for, so you can like get yourself to write every day and reflect on things. For me, journaling has helped me mentally, and I've literally been doing this since I was in 5th grade, which is crazy. This is now my 3rd journal. This was my first page that I ever wrote, so I'm just so excited to look back on this journal and all of the journals that I've ever had. But anyways, now I'm gonna get some sleep. I'm gonna brush my teeth and do the rest of my night routine. I'm like a little exhausted, but I also feel so good, and I felt so much better that I actually got out of bed and got things done, because if I kept sleeping in my bed and just scrolling endlessly, which was what I was already doing, I would have felt like crap by the end of the day, like especially right now. One tip I would recommend is writing down a to-do list before even getting out of bed, because that's what's gonna motivate you. If you have no to-do list, you're literally just gonna sit there and be so lost. So whether that be anything, I hope this video helped you guys, and make sure to comment down below this emoji if you made it up to this point of the video. Make sure to subscribe because we're almost at 1 million, and I'm gonna be doing a huge giveaway when we hit 1 million. I'm literally so grateful for all of you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.